and welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to be filming some birds and we are going to spot them together. It is called Busy British Birds. Let's go! Do you see that dot in the tree? That dot is a goldfinch. A lovely goldfinch. See what's on the feeders. Nothing yet. Anything in the bush? They're just crows flying by. To the goldfinch. Goldfinches, actually, there's two of them. To the feeders, is there anything there? Yes. The back feeder, there is a goldfinch on the feeder which has the table. There's two actually. So it's a good start, this. Seeing three goldfinches actually. There's one there. Wants a nut but changed his mind. Ah, a little blackbird. There he is. He's in the net. It's a Mrs. Blackbird because he's got a black beak. Now on the fence we have a blackbird. Can you see him? He's above the bird box. Now I'm down at the river with the swan coming close to me. Let's see what birds they are down here. Well, there's the swans and some up there. There's some gulls over there. There's some, if I go down here and get a better view of the swans. There's that swan. There's everywhere. Some ducks, but look at all of those. They're really hungry. Look, I didn't notice you. It's a mute swan behind me. But look at all those. Flying above and above and above. They're everywhere. back home from the river and let's see what birds come on these feeders. I wonder what that bird is on the ground. It's a chaffinch next to a goldfinch, which has just fallen off into the tree. There's something just there. I think it's a goldfinch. Can't see it because of the pool. It just flew into the tree there. What's that on the feeder? Didn't get a close enough look. Is there anything on the trees? No. And there's the goldfinch on the back sunflowers. And there's 2 goldfinches on the back of the garden. I wonder what else will show up. So far we've only got the goldfinches, but that's alright. One's having a hop. Let's see what else comes. Oh, what's that on the fence? Can't get a close enough look. It's gone now. Just can't get close enough looks. There's lots of little birds flying around. There's a blackbird. Is it a male or a female? It's a male blackbird because it's got a yellow bill, a yellow beak. Hopping past those goldfinches. There's 2 of them. One on the fence. Is there anything on those feeders? Nope. Where's he gone? No. There is another bird. It looks bigger than the others. I think it's a dunnock. There's 2 dunnocks hopping around under there. Let's see what else there is now. Let's go. There's a lot of dunnocks. Here. Oh, did you hear that little tweet on them? Quiet, see if we can hear it. Starling in the tree. 2 starlings in the tree. They're together. But those goldfinches and dunnocks down there, they really stayed there for a while. Let's see what else shows up. There's a chaffinch. Big crow. No more starlings in the tree. Just a crow. Oh, that chaffinch. The chaffinch next to the water bowl. Now he's coming out into the garden. Come on, little guy. There he is. Now, let's see what else pops up. See that bird on top of that little house which has all the seed? Now it's on the ground. That is the missel thrush. It's just there. There's a jackdaw on the ground. No, it's actually a blackbird. Sorry. See if we can see him under the net. They're having a little chase. There he's on the fence. And blackbird scared him off. That's good. Now, what's that on the ground? It's a goldfinch, a chaffinch, and up on the back sunflowers we have 2 goldfinches. There's that blackbird back with another chaffinch. Anything on the tree? No. Just that blackbird and the chaffinch now. And the goldfinches. Oh, they've been scared by the pigeon, by a wood pigeon. Those goldfinches are still there enjoying their food though. Let's see what else there is. Okay, that pigeon's flew to the other side of the yard. There's goldfinches. They're still there. There's a starlings in the tree. About to say there's a starling, there's 2. Start hopping around. Just to say, have you watched Busy Bird Feeders? because I would suggest you can go and look at him. Busy bird feeders. I think this is busy bird feeders. The wood pigeon there, cuckooing. What's at the back? Nothing much now. Just a wood pigeon and some flowers are on the way to the bird box. Right. Let's see what else appears. What will appear? Wood pigeon is still there, but there must be something else. Oh, is that a goldfinch in there? Yes, I think it is. Or is it not? I don't know what it is. That one that just flew into that tree, that was a goldfinch though. You can kind of still see him. Now it's a greenfinch. And the goldfinch, there's the pigeon going onto the seed bowl. You can see the greenfinch in between the little bars of the seed bowl. It's on the ground. There it is. They're all on the ground. There's hardly any on the feeders. Is there anything there? Nope, there's nothing on the feeders. Just loads on the ground. And you think, now there's something on the feeder. It's a goldfinch. Nice goldfinch. This is really nice with all of these birds in the garden. I wonder where you're going to go. Let's watch him, see where he goes. On the ground, a big fatty. It's a fat wood pigeon. Now, there's 4 birds on the ground. I don't think I can tell you all of them, but one of them I think is a goldfinch and the others is, there's one a greenfinch. There's the goldfinch gone. So, let's see what happens. Now there's just the wood pigeon. You see that bird on the washing line? That bird is a starling. Now, let's see what happens on this feeders and see where the starling moves. Like that. I think there's another bird on the other side. There has to be something else than just starling on the washing line. But, oh, now there is. What's that little bird in the dot in the tree? It's a goldfinch. Or is it? Yeah, I think it is. There's now not just the starling on the washing line, there's a blackbird. Lots of starlings now. They're all coming down. You can hear that goldfinch chirping. See if I can lift you above the goal. There's a goldfinch. It's nice. Maybe if I zoom you in closer. Is it a bit blurry for you? Make it a little less blurry. Look. There's a blue tit. Well, it's gone, but that blackbird is still in there. Now, is that another blackbird? Or is it? It's a starling. I can't really get a clean shot of it, but it's alright. The blue tit's back on the sewer balls. What was that? That's just fallen off. I'm in the kitchen, so there's a lot of things. Here, and there's a blackbird. The blue tit's still there. Those blackbirds are always fighting. I think there's 3 blackbirds. Where's it gone? Yep, there's a male blackbird. That's where a starling has gone. Or is it a blackbird? It's a starling. Get mixed up with those 2, starlings and blackbirds. So, I can tell they're starlings. Those 2 starlings that are in the, the feeding hut. I'm going to call it the feeding hut at the back. with a goldfinch on the sunflowers. And a lot of starlings. Whoops, watch your step, starling. He almost slipped.
There we go, guys. Bye.